tutorial of how to repair peeling paint or flaky paint. Yeah, this pretty much goes round all the top of the these tiles here around this bathroom. So I'm going to show you basically how we repair this. I mean, for the beginning stages, what I've got here is I've got a filling knife for this because it's just flexible and it gets behind all the paint, and so, you know, sometimes a filling knife is better for scraping. And I've got some 80 grit sandpaper to sand it. So right then guys, let's do this. Really try and get behind the back of it and get it all to a hard edge. I mean, what causes this is like high moisture content, but you can also see where the steam has gone and it's affected other areas. So yeah, it's quite common in sort of shower rooms and bathrooms. Yeah, so let's get on with it. Give it a good scrape, a good break. I mean, there's loads of little airline ones, but you can't sort of get every bit. What you can do is your conscience level best. So let's get an 80 grit sandpaper. Get all the good. And really put some effort in. Yeah, you do this type of thing in stages as well, you know, so that's what I'd call sort of stage one anyway, you know, sanding it and scraping it. What I've got here is gyprock. Easy fill 60 minute set time, and it's the repair range, and it's a filler and finish compound for general wall repairs and jointing for plasterboards. I normally use ready mix, but I bought this because I had some sort of deeper holes to fill on the job, so I'm going to use this for feathering out the edges. So right. Got like 1/4 inch of water in that paint kettle. Just sort of add a bit at a time. I don't want to mix it too sort of dry, so I want to be able to move it around on the board. So and this stuff's easy to sand down as well. You don't want stuff that's really hard to sand down, just makes your job. Like that polyfill stuff you get in the tube, you don't want to be using that. That's nice, smooth and creamy. I'd say that's good for fine filling. Right then guys, this is what I basically call stage 2. Now we've got our filler that we've mixed, we've got a cork board and we've got a filling knife, and we just need to sort of feather these blemishes out. You know, using a corkboard just allows you to deal with a bigger area. And fill it as clean as possible, because it just means less sanding, you know, always try and minimise as you're going along. And that, guys, is how you fill and feather out any of the scrapings that you scraped off. Right, guys, now we've scraped it. First of all, this is what I'd call stage 3. We've scraped it back to a hard edge and we've filled it, and now we're going to sand it. So let's do it. I mean, this stuff's really good to set down. And don't sand all the filler off, you know, feather it out, smooth it out around the edge. You don't want to be filling out, sanding out all the filler where you fill over the blemishes, otherwise then it's pointless filling. You know. Dust down. Now what I'm going to do is just spot up all the filler bits. I mean, this is going to be a colour called skimming stone, so this is why I'm just flashing up the fillery bits. And I think we're going to be using like a durable bathroom type stuff paint, and I don't want to be putting that type of paint straight onto bare filler, so I just want to flush up the filler patches with this Johnson's matte paint. And that, guys, is now ready to have 2 coats of the wall colour. So, right, there you go, guys. There it is. That's now got 2 coats of Johnson's durable acrylic eggshell water resistant paint on it. So that should solve that problem. That should be a lot more tougher now. And there's the area basically where we scraped, but it was all the way round. Yeah. Okay, guys, thank you very much. And that is how you repair peeling or flaking paint. If you like the video, please like, please share, and please subscribe. Thank you very much, guys.